use in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Keywords are like the magic words that make your videos show up in search results. Remember, we're playing the long game here, building a loyal audience, not just chasing views. Now let's talk about consistency. It's the backbone of any successful YouTube channel. Without it, even the most creative and engaging content can fall flat. You can't just upload one video and expect to become a YouTube sensation overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. Many successful YouTubers have spent years building their audience. Set a realistic upload schedule that you can actually stick to. This means understanding your own limits and balancing your YouTube work with other commitments. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, the key is to be consistent. What's up everybody, it's your boy Channel Success Blueprint here. Want to grow your YouTube channel faster than ever? These 10 proven tips will take you from zero to YouTube hero. Get ready to take some notes because we're about to dive deep into the strategies that actually work. This is the real deal, and I'm going to give you all the tools you need to succeed. First things first, you gotta figure out what your channel is all about. What gets you hyped? What are you passionate about? Find your niche, that special something that makes your channel unique. Think about channels like MrBeast, right? He's all about crazy challenges and giving away money. Or what about PewDiePie? He built an empire on gaming and hilarious commentary. Remember, your niche is your superpower, so choose wisely. It's gonna be the foundation of your channel's success. Alright, now that you've got your niche locked down, it's time to talk about thumbnails. Think bright colors, bold text, and images that grab people's attention. Tools like Canva and TubeBuddy can be your secret weapons for creating awesome thumbnails, even if you're not a design pro. A killer thumbnail and a click-worthy title? That's a recipe for YouTube success. Okay, so you've got amazing videos, but how do you get people to actually find them? That's where SEO comes in, baby. TubeBuddy and VidIQ are your new best friends. These tools will help you find the perfect keywords to use. Helps build trust with your audience. They know they can rely on you for regular content. Your viewers need to know when to expect new content from you. This anticipation can drive engagement and keep your audience coming back for more. Think of it like your favorite TV show, right? They release new episodes on a set schedule, and that keeps people coming back for more. They release new episodes on a set schedule, and that keeps people coming back for more. This same principle applies to your YouTube channel. Your channel is no different. Regular uploads create a rhythm that your audience can follow. And don't be afraid to experiment. Consistency doesn't mean you can't try new things. In fact, experimenting with different types of content can keep your channel fresh and exciting. Try different types of content, different lengths, different formats. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps you discover what works best for your channel. Remember, consistency is key, but so is creativity. Alright, so you've got people clicking on your videos, but are they actually watching them all the way through? That's where watch time and audience retention come in. Start your videos strong with a killer intro that hooks them right away. Keep your videos fast-paced, exciting, and full of valuable information. Use jump cuts, B-roll footage, music, and sound effects to keep things interesting. And don't forget to engage with your viewers in the comments. Respond to their questions, give them shoutouts, and build a community around your channel. Speaking of community, let's talk about how to build one that's stronger than 1,000 armies. YouTube isn't just about uploading videos, it's about connecting with people who share your passions. Use those community features. Post polls, ask questions in your videos, respond to comments like crazy, make your viewers feel heard, make them feel valued, and make them feel like they're a part of something special. Host live streams, Q&A sessions, and even meetups if you can. The more you interact with your audience, the more invested they'll become in your channel. Alright, it's time to spread the word about your awesome channel. Social media is your best friend when it comes to promotion, so use it to your advantage. Create dedicated accounts for your channel on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Share behind-the-scenes content, teasers for upcoming videos, and even snippets of your videos themselves. Run contests, collaborate with other creators, and use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Remember, the more visible you are on social media, the more people will discover your channel and become loyal subscribers. Chapter 8. Collabs, double the fun, double the subscribers. Collaboration is key, my friends. Teaming up with other creators is one of the best ways to grow your channel and reach a whole new audience. Find creators in your niche who have a similar audience size and style. Reach out to them and see if they're interested in collaborating on a video or two. Plus, collabs are just plain fun. So don't be shy, reach out to your fellow creators and see what kind of magic you can create together. Chapter 9. Become a YouTube scientist. Analyze and conquer. Alright, now it's time to put on your lab coat and get analytical. Dive deep into the world of data and metrics. This is where the magic happens, where you transform raw numbers into actionable insights. YouTube Studio is your secret weapon for tracking your channel's performance and figuring out what works and what doesn't. It's like having a treasure map that guides you to success. Pay attention to your watch time, your audience retention, your click-through rate, and your subscriber growth. These metrics are the heartbeat of your channel, giving you a pulse on how your content is performing. These metrics will tell you which videos are resonating with your audience and which ones are falling flat. It's like having a direct line to your viewers' preferences and interests. And when you identify the videos that need a little bit of work, don't be discouraged. Instead, see it as an opportunity to improve and refine your content strategy. The more you analyze your data, the more patterns and trends you'll start to see. This is where you can really start to understand the nuances of your audience's behavior. The better you'll understand your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your content to meet their needs and expectations. It's all about creating a feedback loop that continuously improves your channel, and the faster your channel will grow. So, embrace the data, become a YouTube scientist, and watch your channel thrive. Chapter 10. Don't give up. Persistence is power. Listen up, because this is important. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of persistence. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about consistently improving your content, engaging with your audience, and learning from your mistakes. Every video you create is a step forward, even if it doesn't get the views you hope for. You're gonna face challenges, you're gonna hit roadblocks, and you're gonna wanna quit. There will be days when the numbers don't add up, when the algorithm seems to be working against you, and when the negative comments feel overwhelming. But don't you dare give up on your dreams. Every successful YouTuber has been in your shoes. They too have faced the same struggles and doubts. The difference is, they kept going. They pushed through the tough times and came out stronger on the other side. They've all had to overcome obstacles and push through those moments of doubt. It's in those moments of struggle that you grow the most. Each challenge is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and become better at what you do. Remember why you started your channel in the first place. Was it to share your passion, to connect with others, or to make a difference? Whatever your reason, hold on to it tightly. Hold on to that feeling and let it fuel your fire. Let it be the driving force that keeps you going, even when things get tough. Because the truth is, success on YouTube is within your reach. With persistence, passion, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your goals and make your dreams a reality. So keep pushing forward, stay true to yourself, and never give up. Now go crush it! You got this! So there you have it, folks. The 10 essential tips to grow your YouTube channel faster than ever before. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action and watch your channel soar. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.